Good morning, traders. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, traders. Good morning, good morning. Let's get more people on the call. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys will have the wonderful night rest. Hope you guys had a wonderful night session, guys. And you're ready to make money today. If you're ready to make money today, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah. If you're ready to make money today, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah. You can hear me loud and clear. Let me hear you say, yeah, yeah. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Is the network breaking? If the network is okay, please let me know, okay? So I can kickstart immediately. Oh, yep. If the network is breaking, please let me know at any time, okay? So that we can kickstart immediately. All right, guys. So tell me where you're watching from. Which country are you seeing this video from? If you're watching from Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Cameroon, US, UK, London, just tell me your country and drop your flag, right? Just tell me your country and drop your flag, guys. Okay, tell me your country, drop your flag ASAP. We need to make crazy money today, man. We need to make money immediately. Tell me where you're watching from, brothers. Wonderful. I can see Nigeria, I can see Uganda, I can see Ghana. I can see a lot of countries, man. That's really, 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 really nice. Yeah, we'll be starting immediately. Just need more people on the call so we can start immediately. All right. Good morning, traders. Hope you guys had a wonderful night rest. Well, before we start trading today, one thing I want you guys to have at the back of your mind is that Forex trading is going to change your life. And the fact that you've already found my channel, the fact that you've already found my YouTube page, I'm going to make sure you start viewing the market from a different perspective. Do you understand me? You have every reason of why you're buying, you have every reason of why you're selling. Like, I'm going to make sure trading makes sense. Do you understand me? That's my goal, to ensure that every single trader becomes an informed trader. Do you understand? I don't want to coach students that at the end of the day, they don't know why they are buying, or they are buying because of an order block, or they are buying because of a VVG or a ZZZ. No. I want every trader to confidently be able to buy, confidently be able to sell, and confidently be able to what? Be able to tell the difference between a market that's going to hit CP and a market that is going to hit SL. You understand? So yeah, get more people on the call so we can kickstart immediately, right? So if you're currently on this live session and you have a Twitter account, take a screenshot, tag me on Twitter, live trading with Tonysnip3r. Let's get more people on the call ASAP so we can kickstart. All right. Let me log in trading view so that immediately I'm back. I'll share my screen and we make money together. Let me log in trading view. Please, if you guys can still see my screen, please drop a yes in the chat box. If you guys can still see my screen, drop a yes in the chat box, guys. If you guys can still see my screen, please drop a yes in the chat box, okay? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. If you guys can see my screen, please drop a yes, okay? Drop a yes in the chat box so we can get more people on the call. All right, everybody can see my screen, right? All right, now let's dive to the chat and let's make money together. All right, so good morning, everyone. First and foremost, for those of you that are just coming across me for the first time, my name is Anthony Uche, also known as Tonysnip3r. If you check the pinned message in the chat box, you would find my free Telegram channel. So after the live, if you want to also join our free Telegram channel, get signals from me, learn from me, feel free to tap the pinned Telegram channel in the chat box. All right. Now, after that, also, for those of you that have been saying you want to learn from me, you want to learn from me, you want to learn from me. Well, one thing I want you to understand is that my mentorship is officially closed for the year. Do you understand? I only do 4 mentorship in a year, and that is online mentorship. Although my physical mentorship that is located in Abuja run every single month consistently. But for an online mentorship, I only host 4 online mentorship in a year. Now, the next one would be February 2026. So for those of you that have been asking, please be calm and wait till then. For now, I'm giving free signals, free insights, so you see the power of fundamentals and what you're willing to pay for to learn. I would never beg anybody to make payment to learn from me. It's your choice if you find value, all right? So make sure you're subscribed on this YouTube channel because I've got wonderful videos that will change the way you view the market. Make sure you're tapping the like so we can get this like on this live to over 500. We have over 656 individuals here. I believe we can get this like to over 500. So if you guys are with me, say yeah, and tap that like. Let's get it to over 500. All right? So we can kickstart immediately. And I love you guys so much. We pray to God. We pray to Allah. We'll make profit today. Let's go into the market. Peace. All right. All right. So let's start with gold. Let's start with gold today. Okay. Let's start with gold today. Well, if you look at gold at the moment, while gold was at this point here, I was actually telling my students here that gold was actually going to rally into this point here before we see a dump to the downside. This is if gold extends, maybe due to a fundamental news or a news event that cause panic. Do you understand? But if there's no news event, if there is nothing causing panic, If there's nothing bringing fear, right? If there's nothing bringing fear, then immediately after we cleared this high, at this point here, point Nemo, we see a huge dump. Do you understand me? Why did I pick that level? Because if you scale down to the 30 minutes time frame, you can see we have a lot of gaps here waiting. If you scale down to the 4 hour time frame, which is the most respected time frame in the forex market, you would notice this market tapped into where the 50% zone or the almighty Fibonacci retracement zone. Do you understand? But all these are for what? All these are for entry. But for now, the only thing you want to look forward to when it comes to gold is what? Is more push to the upside. The only thing you want to look for when it comes to gold is what? More push to the upside. So for the sake of this call, since we're trading live, do you understand? And we're not in a rush, we want to be calm and make money. We're going to what? We're going to be buying gold. So start buying gold now. I'll drop the SL, I'll drop everything. Buy gold. Buy gold now. Buy gold now. We'll just do a 1 to 2 risks to reward. Okay. Let me go to another time frame so it will look bigger to some people. Because some people love big things. So buy gold. Buy gold. Buy gold. Buy gold. Our SL is our SL is our SL is 4076.5. Buy gold now. Buy gold now. This is our SL. Okay. Then our TP1 is going to be 1 to 1. TP2 1 to 2. This is a 1 to 2 risks to reward. So of course, you should know that you shouldn't risk much. All right. Our TP1 is 4104. 4104.00. That's our TP1. Okay. Then our TP2 is let's use 4119.00. Okay. TP1, TP2, SL. Buy gold now. Buy gold now. This is gold. This is gold. Buy gold now. Buy gold now. Buy gold now, please. Buy gold now. Buy gold, buy gold, buy gold. Buy gold now. I say buy gold. Buy gold now. I've given the SL now. See the SL there, CTP1, CTP2. Let me place the trade also here. So while the market is moving, we're going to be analyzing other markets. Do you understand? Because we're not just trading gold today. Because we're trading different pairs that brings up opportunities. So who is this one? Tonysnip3r, my bro. From where now? From where? Who be your bro? Buy gold now, all right? Buy gold now. Let's make money together, guys. Buy gold now. Let's make money together. Okay? I greet you. Good morning, my bro. Peace. Thank you. I said buy gold. You're asking me what of silver. So go and buy silver on your phone now. I said buy gold now. You're asking me what about silver? Huh. The only problem with trading on live session is that most of you don't like listening to instruction. I say buy gold. Some people are telling me if we are buying gold now, can I buy GBP USD? Oh my God. Don't even know what to say again. All right. So while we're waiting for gold, remember use risk management. Do you understand? Make sure you use what? Risk management. The fact that we are buying gold does not mean it will automatically jump to TP, but use risk management so that no matter what happens, you're safe. Is that clear? Let's move to AED USD. Now, AED USD is actually preparing for more dump. I won't even say more than that. Although the market is exhausted at this point. Do you understand? The market is exhausted by this point. Meaning, what do I mean by exhaustion? The market's exhaustion at this point, meaning what? Meaning we might see one push before we see a huge dump. Do you understand? Because there are liquidities here. If you look at this point here, point Nemo. If you look at this point here, one, two, there are what? There are so many liquidities resting there. So many. Do you understand? There are so many liquidities resting here, but the market is also exhausted at the moment. So it would be nice to see this market push up a bit, then coming back to clear all those liquidities that were what? That were generated at the bottom of the chart. Do you understand? Do you understand? Let me drop this on. I'm very, very tired, man. Like, very, very tired. Let's see what happens on gold. ADUSD, this is what I'm looking forward to, but it's not a nice setup. It's actually a very, very nice setup, but let me see on 30 minutes time frame. It's not advisable. Yes, the market tapped into a very nice demand zone there, but is it advisable to take a buy there? No, because AED is a slow moving pair. So if you take a buy, you have to be willing to hold that buy for long. Do you understand? You have to be willing to what? To hold that buy for long. So I don't think it's a nice trade to take. Let me see gold. Let me see gold. Gold is struggling to push up. Gold will dump very soon. Oh. Like a very, very huge dump is coming for gold. A very, very huge dump. Very, very huge dump. But I just wanted to push up a bit. Why USDJPY is going to pump aggressively to the upside. Very, very aggressive. This one is going to hit, is going to tap into what this level here, 156.200. That's where USDJPY is heading to. Okay. This is where USDJPY is what is heading to. So if we can actually take profit from gold and USDJPY have not started moving, then we'll come back and trade USDJPY. Do you understand? The goal of this live session is to ensure we either close a trade on break even or in profit. Do you understand? Because if there's one thing I've learned in this industry is that most people don't know how to use risk management, and some people trust you to the point where if you tell them buy, they will just go and sell their house and start buying. So one trade at a time, one trade at a time, so that you won't rush and blow your account. All right. One trade at a time, one trade at a time. Is that clear, brothers? I want us to make good money today. By God grace, we're gonna make good money. By God grace, baby. USDJPY is going to buy you. It's going to buy very, very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. And gold is approaching the level where we might start seeing a dump soon. I start seeing a dump soon, but I'm still holding my buy though. I don't want us to run and start buying USDJPY. Although I explained to everybody that was in my Telegram channel yesterday, the fact that Saudi Arabia is saying they want to invest 1 trillion into the US economy is definitely going to what? It's definitely going to boost. It's definitely going to boost the strength of dollar. Now, I would have told us to start buying USD JPY now, but I don't think it's advisable. Do you know why it's not advisable? It's not advisable because we're already inside gold. If maybe we were actually trading like AUD USD, NZDUSD, of course you can take two trade. But whenever you're trading gold, please, it is always advisable to not open another position. Why? Gold is very volatile. One retracement from gold, you will lose $30, $20, $50. But on USD JPY, it can retrace for 3 days and you will not even lose $50 if you use the same lot size you use on gold. So always stay smart, stay sharp, and understand the market dynamics. Right? What I've actually said, and I will keep saying it, is that the fact that you've already found my channel, get ready for your life to change forever. And at the same time, once you guys just start noticing you can't hear me again, please let me know. All right? Please let me know. Once you can't hear me again, please let me know. Once you just notice you can't hear me again, please let me know, okay? Let's see which other opportunities we want to pay attention to. Let's look for NZDUSD. If you look at NZDUSD is the same thing. Do you understand? NZDUSD is the same thing as AEDUSD. I think I explained it yesterday. When you go on your map and you currently check which country is very close to each other, you notice Australia and New Zealand are very, very close. And what is New Zealand known for? Of course, everybody know milk and blah blah blah. So whenever they produce all those, who do they sell them to? They sell them to Australia. Do you understand? So now, if you look at gold, what is going on gold is that gold is struggling to break that high. That's why I say don't use big lot size, because immediately gold break 4094, 4094, boom, I'll add another lot size immediately. I won't even think twice. But for now, just enter with a good lot size, maintain risk management and wait. Do you understand? Maintain risk management and what? And wait. Forex is all about 99% waiting. Do you understand? 99% waiting. If this our trade just break above this high, let me show you guys the high I'm looking at. If we just break this high here, immediately gold break this high. Let's say we see something like this and a retracement, or the loading I will load there. The kind loading I will load. Oh my god. So for now, let me just keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep watching. Can you guys see what I'm talking about? You see somebody in the chat box is asking me, can we buy silver? You're seeing, Abby? Okay. If you buy, you're on your own, though. Before you say I did not say it, if you buy, you are on your own. Like I said, next year, I'll be changing the game forever. Do you understand? It's easy to teach. It's easy to host mentorship. How many mentors can come online and host live? The reason why most people are scared of hosting live is because they don't want you to see that they take losses. Me, I'm not scared. Even if a trade hits SL, hits CP, we are cool. Do you understand? The reason why I'm cool is because I know if we take 5 trades together, at least the majority will hit CP. Losses are something you can never avoid in this game. That's why most mentors run from it. I was telling my students yesterday, one of the hardest thing in the Forex industry is providing signals. You see, teaching is very easy. You see, recording YouTube video, very easy. But when it comes to providing signals, respect every single mentor you see providing signals. I promise you. Signal is one of the hardest thing or one of the hardest service to provide in the Forex industry. Do you know what it means to tell people to buy, to tell people to sell? If their accounts, if they lose money, if they make money, it's on you. It's one of the hardest thing. Do you understand? That's why most mentors run from it. They just come back to do before and after. Then you think everything is working out for them. Do you understand? So be calm and let's trade together. If we take loss, we take together. If we take win, we take together. I want us to be having this life consistently. So gradually, everybody is going to start making money, and God will help all of us to become very, very profitable in the year 2026. Because I'm about to change the game forever. I will ensure every single person that is under me, especially my students and other criteria that I'll give out, you don't blow your account. Because the only way to stay long in this game is to ensure you don't blow your account. No matter what you're doing, don't blow your account. If you're enjoying what I'm saying, make sure you're tapping that like button. Let's get this like to over 500. We have over 680 people here, and we can't get 500 likes. Let me continue. As a Forex trader who is looking to last long in this game, try your best to not blow your account. Do you understand? Try your best to what? Not blow your account. So long as you don't blow your account, I promise you, you're going to make money from the Forex. You see that mindset of going all in. If your account blow it, blow. If your account does not blow it, does not blow. Don't have that mindset. I promise you, to kill you. That mindset will kill you. Please. That mindset of if it blow, it blow. Please kill it. I'm begging you. Do you understand? Except you fund 500, fund 1K, fund $100, and you say, I want to risk 100% of this capital. That is when if the market blow, it blow. Do you understand? But it's never advisable. I promise you, it's never advisable because trading with if it blow, it blow. It will blow to the point where you start collecting investments and you land inside prison. You know how many Forex traders are in prison? So for the sake of those of you that just joined this call now, we're currently trading gold. We're looking for a buy. Although we know gold is bearish, but we just want to catch this short buy. That is why we are using risk management. So our TP1 is 4104. Our TP2 is 4119.00. Our entry is at 4090, around that level. Do you understand? So if we smash TP1, that's 140 pips. Okay, if we smash TP2, that's over 200 plus pips. So immediately we hit TP1, we're going to break even. So that we'll be trading what? We're going to be trading on risk free. Then for USD JPY is about to buy aggressively. I've said it, all my students are already inside because, of course, I always give my students information before people on social media. Do you understand? So USD JPY will continue to fly until we smash 1557.500. That's where USD JPY is going to 1557.500. Everybody's running back to the dollar. Every single person you see is going back to the dollar because that is where That's what's up. Let me use that term. That's what's up. So let's wait for gold to gather momentum and spike up. That's what we're waiting for. We just need one more momentum, then it will spike up. We just need one more momentum, then gold will spike up aggressively. We just need one more push, then we smash TP. Okay, one more push. Boom, 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 boom. Bum 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 bum. Okay, gold is moving. That's fair. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Someone is saying, "How comes you're too good at analyzing Bostoni?" I take losses too. Oh. Me, I will not lie for you that I don't take losses. I take losses. Do you understand? The only difference is that every time I lose a trade, I know why I lost that trade. Do you understand? It's not random. So that's why I'm never scared of trading a buy or a sell. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Remember, immediately we hit TP1, we'll break even. All right? Immediately we hit TP1, we'll break even. Don't forget. Please change your cursor color. My cursor. What happened to my cursor? Someone is saying I should change my cursor color. Is there anything with my cursor? So when is the physical class? The physical class have started already for November now. Go to the academy in Abuja. The academy is in Abuja. Go to Abuja now and register. It's already on session. They just started yesterday. For the physical class, if you know you stay in Abuja, Nigeria, and you want to learn from Tonysnip3r in person, go there. I have wonderful educators. TY is one of the best in Nigeria. Genesis, very, very good price action. Do you understand? So go there now. Class is in session. But for those of you that want to learn online because you don't stay in Nigeria, that's when you can meet me. When I say Tony, you say sniper. Tony, sniper. Tony, sniper. We are up 70 pips. When I say Tony, you say sniper. Tony, sniper. Tony, sniper. Let's hit TP1 fast, 140 pips. Then we know. But one thing I want you guys to take notes now. If we hit this TP today, don't start thinking every live session will be hitting TP every day. Some days we'll take loss. Some days we're going to take loss. So please take notes. Before you guys now would think I'm invincible, no loss. Man, no deal. Road to TP1. Once we smash TP1, then you can take TP. Okay, don't worry. The trade is going to smash TP1. Definitely going to smash TP1. Once we just smash TP1, then you can take profits. We're currently up 90 pips in profits. We're up 90 pips in profit. I would have said break even now, but it's too early. So let's smash TP1. See, me, I know the church or ask students that have learned from me in my online mentorship. My mentorship is not cost, just $259. If you miss it next year, February, your own don't finish because you've already found Tony Sniper. You've seen me doing it live. I didn't just send you signal. I'm trading it live now with you on YouTube and everybody's in profit. Of course, there are days where we're going to trade and we're going to make losses. Do you understand? That's one thing I always put at the back of my mind. I'm not perfect, but I will always try my best to be as transparent as possible. So we're going to be trading live now consistently. So everybody is making money live. There were some traders that were saying, "Can you trade live? Can you trade live?" I just laughed. Do you understand? This is the live trading. Oh, are we not trading live? Oh yeah, now. When I say Tony, you say sniper. Tap that live like button. Let's get it to over 500. Only Tony Sniper will do it. Only. TP1 smashed 140 pips already. TP1 what? TP1 smashed 140 pips. When I say Tony, you say sniper. Take a screenshot, take a screen record, post it on Twitter, post it on Telegram, post it on Instagram. Tag me, I'll definitely repost. When I say Tony, you say sniper. It is one thing for a mentor to post before and after. It's another thing for a mentor to do it live. Do you understand? So we're already up what? We're already up 140 pips, and very soon we're going to be closing the trade on risk free. We're going to be closing the trade on risk free so that the trade can continue running. We're going to be closing the trade on risk free very soon. I think TP1 smashed now, right? TP1 smash, baby. Let me drop it on Twitter. They go know say for this game, difference they game. TP1 what? TP1 destroyed. TP1 smashed. TP1 hit heaven and earth. TP1 what? TP1 smash, baby. Now that TP1 have smashed, what will you do as a smart trader? You what? You break even. After you break even, what do? You take partial. What do I mean by taking partial? If you use 0.05, go and close with 0.02. If you use one lot size, close 0.5. Do you understand? Depending on your lot size that you're using, close that position. Then allow one continue to run. Do you understand? Go check on Twitter. I just made the post now. For those of you that are live on this call, go drop a comment, drop a screenshot. Okay. Do you understand? I just made the post on Twitter. TP1 smash, baby. TP1 smashed 140 pips. Let's make crazy money today. Crazy, crazy money. No time for jokes. My eye is very red. My eye is too red. Need to make crazy money. TP1 hit already 140 pips. And TP1, let me add it on the text. Yes, then anybody that just joined will see it. TP1 hit. Do you understand? So now we're heading to what? We're heading to TP2. But remember, make sure you've already what? Break even. Make sure you've already taken partial. If you open multiple position, make sure you've already closed. Okay. Now we are heading to what? We're heading to TP2. Okay. We are heading to TP2 and we are trading risk free. If you open only one position, fine, no problem. If you use 0.01, no problem. You can hold your trade. Or if you're okay with the profit, you should be up about 0.01 should be up about, is it no, not up to, is it up to $10? Yeah, like $10.4 or so. It should be up like $10.4. You understand? So I will always do it live, baby. I've been doing it since the 80s, and I will continue to do it by God's grace. Like I said, some days we're going to take loss. So you guys should not think we are invincible. All right. We're making money, baby. Let's continue to make this money. Remember, if you want to join my free Telegram channel, the link is in the chat box, pinned on top of the chat box. Tap that link and join. All right. Tap that link and join. Okay. We're heading to TP2. Oh. Even on the smallest lot size, you should be up around 16, $15, around 14, 15, $16. Even on the smallest lot size of 0.01, you should be up 15, $14 in profit. Even on the smallest lot size, we're up in profit. We're up in profit, baby. Already up, oh, we're up 100 and $150, $160. Like I said, If you're trading with me, please don't trade with demo accounts. I'm warning you. I'm not even telling you, I'm warning you. If you trade with demo account, I catch you, I will remove you from this life and my Telegram channel. Because you can't tell me you don't want to make money. Even if it's $10, you fund it to use the smallest lot size. Any day we hit SL, you blow your account. If we hit CP, God is good. Do you understand? But at least don't trade my signal with demo. As you're trading with demo, if I catch you, I will remove you. Immediately I remove you, I will carry belt and find you where you are staying in any country, Cameroon, Ghana, Gambia, and I will flog you on your head. I will suffer and come here and give you signal. You use demo. Oh my God, you have given me headache. Oh my God. Let me see if I can find another pair. Let's take one more signal on this life and call it. And this one I've already started buying. Oh my God. And this is where this market is going to. It's coming back to this level here. Except if this level hold. Except if this level hold. Then we'll be preparing forward for a huge dump to the downside. Hey, Falcon! Except if that level hold. Peep Commander! Peep! Peep Commander! Okay, they are busy. Me, I've told you, once I catch you trading with demo, even from your spirit in your dream, I will find you and I'll flog you. You'll be surprised. You just see me in your dream. You start running. Tonysnip3r, I'm sorry. Tonysnip3r, I'll be wiping you. You'll be running for your life. Just try me and see. Open my signal with demo and see what will happen to you. God's power, Moses, I've taken your name. You go collect this night. Damn, our trade is about to hit CPU. If you know you're in profit, drop it in the chat box, guys. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. How many traders can come on live and do this with their students, man? No drawdown, straight to TP, over 200 pips on live session. Do this with their students, man. No drawdown, straight to TP, over 200 pips on live session. Drop it in the chat box, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. How many traders can come on live and do this with their students, man? No drawdown, straight to TP, over 200 pips. Straight to TP, baby. Drop it in the chat box, guys. Crazy. Damn, this market is flying. Market is actually flying. It's flying to the heaven and the earth. No drawdown, straight to TP, over 200 pips on live session. Crazy. You guys want us to be trading this live session every day? Do you prefer it than normal signal I sent to the group? Do you guys enjoy live session? Live session is sweet now, because if they say we hit CP, if they say we hit SL now, my tummy would have been turning me. Maybe you guys will be on this live and I'll run to the toilet to first go and drop small. Live session is very funny, very, very funny. If you know how traders are scared of live session, many students catch me say they hit stop loss anyhow. Chat box, guys. Crazy. Back to back. All right, guys. So that's all for gold. Take profit on gold. Take profit on gold. We're done with gold. There's no need to hold it to the TP. Because why? Because liquidity has been cleared. This stop, the liquidity has been cleared. Yes, the market might continue pumping, but how many pips left to TP? Just 50. It's not worth it. We've already caught about 230 pips already. We've already caught about 230 pips, so feel free to close. over 230 pips already on YouTube live. Please, if you're in profit, I just made a post on Twitter. Go drop your profit under that post. Tag, quotes, and let's continue to go. Remember what I said, guys. Remember what I said. Some days we might hit SL. Do you understand? Trading is not all rosy. You take loss, you take win. But the fact that you can confidently come on live and do it with your students or do it with your Telegram community shows that you're transparent. You have nothing to hide. If not, if I want to start before and after, I will see, I will deal with all of una for that Twitter. If I start before and after, I will trade from January to December. I will never ever post my loss. If all of us want to start moving mad, do you understand? But since I've not yet entered my mad season, let me still focus on being transparent for now. One thing with loss, I will take loss. Do you understand? I take loss sometimes. But when it comes to being transparent in terms of trading, I'll tell you, bro, anything I teach you would work. Yes, there might be a season where we'll take loss. Either you enter too early or too late. My Twitter handle is the same as my YouTube handle, Tonysnip3r. My Instagram handle, the same thing. My Snapchat, the same thing. I use um one username for all my platform: Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all Tonysnip3r. Just go and tap Tonysnip3r. Do you understand? Just go and tap Tonysnip3r, then you get added. Okay. I'm happy that everybody made money today. And maybe the day that will hit SL2, you guys should compose too. Oh. You understand? Compose. Oh, I've given you guys 200 pips this morning. Now, for those of you that are asking about my mentorship, because I can see it in the chat box, like I said, my mentorship only happens 4 times in a year, and the next one is by February. I'm not hosting any mentorship again this year. Do you understand? The next one is what? Is February 2026. The sniper is with number 3, not E. Tonysnip3r, Connysnip. Then instead of E, you use number 3, then R. If you search me on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, on Snapchat, I use the same username. Do you understand? I use the same username, guys. Okay? Go tag me on Twitter, on Instagram. We need to cleanse this industry. Okay, so for those of you asking about the online mentorship is currently closed until next year, February 2026. It's not expensive, just $259. You get to learn how to interpret fundamental news like a pro. You get to learn how to interpret supply and demand. Then also, in the last month, we're going to be trading live together to be putting everything that we've learned into practice. Do you understand? So make sure you drop that like button, get the like to over 500. Tell me which country you're watching from. If you're enjoying this live and you want us to find another signal to take together, drop it in the chat box. All right, that's one. Then number two, for those of you that are in Abuja or you stay in Nigeria and you want to learn, if you stay in Nigeria or Abuja and you want to learn directly from me, our address is on the Google map. Just search Tonysnip3r Academy on Google map. It will take you. Our academy is located in Jabi. All right, we are located in Jabi. So just type Tonysnip3r Academy and you get the address on Google map. Then you go there immediately. Okay. But for online, please and please just allow me enjoy these last 2 months of the year. Then we'll resume back February and the online mentorship will start. Okay. So yeah, that is it. So we're watching this trade now. I think the trade will even smash TP from the way the trade is looking. I think it will even smash that TP because this is actually a very huge impulsive candle. Relevant, say I beg more find on that signal para the body. Okay now. Learning from the academy itself is even more profitable than it's even more profitable. And also learning online too is very profitable because I always give my student time. No matter how busy I am, I always come back. If you guys want us to continue this live session, we're going to be doing it consistently. Do you understand? I can do it 10 times. We've done the first one today, TP hit, right? Nine to go. We'll do 9 live sessions before the year comes to an end. 9 live sessions before the year comes to an end. Okay, 9 live sessions before the year comes to an end. Like I said, you must not learn from me. Do you understand? You must not learn from me. My mentorship coming in February is $259, and it is not a must to learn from me. But let me give you guys the criteria you need before learning from any mentor. Do you understand? Since we are all family now, I'll give you an advice. Now, let's say you want to learn from any other mentor. This is what you need to look out for. Mentors who never give signals, even if it's free signal. If that mentor does not share signal and the mentor start telling you signal will trap you, signal will make you independent, blah 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 blah, run away from that mentor. Do you know why? That mentor don't want you to be able to track his or her win rates. Because it's one thing to show before and after, it's another thing to show you that, okay, what I'm teaching you, I can use it and trade and I will hit TP or hit SL. Do you understand? Run away from that mentor. See, any mentor that will trade with you live or give you signal and the trade will hit SL and the mentor is not scared, you see that mentor, go and learn from that mentor. I promise you, that mentor is very, very transparent. But any mentor that does not send you signal, they want to use teaching and key you, then you'll be trading, you'll be wondering if it's working or it's not working. Run from that mentor. That is one. Now, number two, mentors who don't do live session. They only record YouTube videos or just come and post before and after. Also run from that mentor. No matter how good you are, at least once in a while, just go on live. Don't see, I'm not scared though. Even if this trade hits SL today, I will not even shake. Tomorrow I'll come back live. Do you understand? Because that is what means that you're a trader. For you to become a forex trader, it means that you can confidently beat your chest and say, okay, I'm willing to risk this amount to make that amount. TP1 and TP2 hit 240 pips. 200 and what? 40 pips. God is good. Go on Twitter, guys. Go drop a post on Twitter. No time for play. TP1 and TP2 smashed. Over 240 pips. Over 200 and what? And 40 pips. TP1 and TP2 hit, right? Will you be releasing another signal today? Let's go to Forex Factory. I'm coming. Let me share you guys something from Forex Factory. Let me share you guys something from Forex Factory. Okay. Someone is saying my chart is not moving. Which chart again? We already hit TP1 and TP2 now. So what do you want us? Which chart again do you want us to hit? Let's go to Forex Factory. Let me open it so that I'll show you guys one or two things. Let me explain to you guys what will happen today. Okay. Okay. I think Forex Factory has opened. So let's share live with Forex. All right. If you guys can see this Forex Factory, drop a like and tell me yes so I can explain. Okay. If you can see Forex Factory, let me know so I can explain few things that is happening. All right. All right, now let's talk about what was happening today. Now, the most important news event is this FOMC meeting. Okay, the FOMC meeting you see there is the most important news event today. Why? Because that's for those of you that are in my free Telegram channel. If you're not in my free Telegram channel, tap the link in the comments or the link you see on the chat box here. Now, when we say FOMC meeting, what are the Feds talking about? FOMC stands for what? Federal Open Market Committee. They come together to decide what? Interest rate decision or monetary policies that will affect the economy, tackle inflation, so on and so forth. Now, there will be an FOMC meeting today. I think maybe the second to the last one or third to the last for the year. And this meeting now will cement if there would be any decision that would weaken the dollar. If there's no decision that will weaken the dollar, then what will happen? USD JPY will buy for 200 extra pips. Like I said, USD JPY is going to 157.500. Do you understand? So, except during this meeting, there's a decision concerning rate cuts, blah, 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 blah. That is when dollar will get weak. If you don't understand what I'm saying between rate cuts, inflation, go watch some of my short videos on TikTok and on YouTube here, the fundamental videos. Do you understand? My students understand what I'm saying, but please take note of all this. And if you take note of all this, I promise you will make crazy money together, like crazy, crazy money together. And also, always remember, please, anytime you see me share a link on YouTube or you see me share a link on Telegram, sometimes I'm not the one posting those links on my Telegram channel. Those people used to pay for ads to Telegram. So Telegram randomly share their adverts to different channel. Then they share the revenue with us. All right. I'm very transparent. That's why I'll tell you guys the truth. So God so kind, we're able to smash TP1, TP2 on this live session. Tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. Nigeria time, we're going to be having live again. But I will still send one more signal in the Telegram channel. So make sure if you're in the Telegram channel, stay active and don't miss. Okay. Remember, today is not my birthday. Oh. So yeah, I just posted one now. So be very, very careful. Very, 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 very careful. Be very, very careful. Okay. One more information before we end today. Online mentorship is closed for the year until February 2026. It's not expensive, just $259. Start saving your coins towards that point, okay? We're going to be having live session. I'll continue to share signals to make sure everybody close the year strong. And by next year, I'll be changing the game forever. Today is not my birthday. Be careful. Telegram is the one sharing that link. Be careful. It will just last for like 30 minutes, then to be deleted. So any channel you're joining, be careful. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Tonysnip3r out. See you guys tomorrow. Go drop a post on Twitter. Go drop a post on Instagram. Love you guys.